IQOO 9T. So this is the first mobile which is coming with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. First of all, this mobile comes with a display which is a 6.78 inches of Super AMOLED E5 display, and it is a 120Hz refresh rate display. What's the biggest thing in this display is it comes with a 1200 Hz of touch response rate, which is very helpful in playing the games. And this mobile was protected by the Scotch Sensation glass protection, which is the improved version of Scotch Sensation glass. And when we talk about the processor, this mobile is coming with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, which is a 4nm based octa-core gaming processor, and it is a 5G processor. Now when we talk about the 5G, we need to look at the 5G bands. Yes, this mobile comes with almost 9 5G bands. Yes, and after that, this mobile comes with a huge enormous camera setup at the back side. Yes, those are 50 megapixels of GN5 a censored camera, and which is used for main camera as a wide angle lens, and a 13 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, which is also used as a macro, and a 12 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera. And when we talk about the front facing selfie camera, it comes with a 16 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. And what's the biggest thing about this mobile is it comes with a 4700 milliampere of bigger battery. Even though it has that much bigger battery, it comes with a 120 watts fast charge support. Yes, this mobile can charge from 0 to 100 in just 19 to 20 minutes. Yes, with the use of that 120 watt super fast charger. Yes, and this mobile also comes with a lot of features. Like when we talk about the storage capacities, this mobile comes in two variants. Those are 8GB RAM 128 and 12GB RAM 256, which is a LPDDR5 RAM type and UFS 3.1 storage capacity. And when we talk about the build quality, this mobile comes with front black back glass and metal frame, so solid build quality. And this mobile also comes with the IP58 water dust resistance. This mobile can't be dipped in water, but it can survive some splashes like rain. And this mobile also comes with the features like operating system. When we talk about the operating system, this mobile runs on Android version 12 out of the box with FunTouch OS 12.1. And when we talk about the other features, this mobile comes with the Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. And one more thing that is missing in these days, a lot of mobiles, that is NFC. And this mobile also comes with the IR blaster also. Yes, and this mobile also comes with the stereo speakers and a Type-C port when we talk about the ports. But this mobile doesn't come with any 3.5mm jack. Instead of that, we can get a 3.5 to Type-C adapter. When we talk about the box contents, like the contents which comes in the box of this mobile, the box itself and a TPU case and 120 watts power adapter and Type-C to Type-C cable and a 3.5 to Type-C adapter. Yes, these are the things that we can get with this mobile in the box. And when we talk about the variants, this mobile will be available in two color variants. I will list those colors in the description box down below, and if you want to buy the mobile, you can go directly and click the link in the description box and you can directly buy it from there. And when we talk about the pricing, yeah, this is the major thing we need. This mobile comes with the price tag of 49,999 rupees, but if you include some offers which is available in Amazon right now, it will come around 45,999 rupees, so almost 4,000 off. And this mobile also comes with a promise of 3 years of Android updates and 4 years of security updates. So wait until the mobile releases and buy the mobile, and subscribe to this channel and like the video.